Hi guys, I am going to be taking you through how to earn rewards in the Iconic Rewards program. So first things first, head to drinkiconic.com and make sure you are signed in with an account or you can create a new one. Once inside, if you do have a subscription or previous orders, it will come up here for you. And to access the rewards, you'll click this little blue tab right here, bottom right, Iconic Rewards. If you click into here, you can see a rundown of how far along you are to get your next vouchers and different ways to earn rewards. So you can click the first tab here. This gives you some ideas of ways to earn points. Here will show you how many more points you need to get a voucher. So here it's important to note that we do have two different types of vouchers. We have vouchers for one-off purchases like these ones up here. So that's if you're buying a case, a powder, a kid's product, a one-off purchase. If you would like money off your subscription, you scroll down here and this will give you dollars off your subscription. We also have the option to refer friends. So you will share this link down here with your friends, and once they purchase on their side, you will receive points into your account. And this can be shared in a variety of different ways you can see here. If you'd like to have an overview of your rewards account, you can click the account button, and here will tell you all the different ways you have earned points and the status, whether they have been approved or not. Typically, when you make a purchase, it takes about a day for it to be approved and show up in your account. There is also an option of moving up into our different tiers. So we have silver, gold, and then we have one for subscribers. These give you different points based on how many purchases you've made of us and how long you've been a customer.